Okay, guys, we're going to do the balloon rocket lab. This is the one I am most sad that you are missing because it is super fun. So I am going to do it, and I promise to not have too much fun without you. I am instituting my whole family here to help me out because you need a bunch of people to hold the string and to send the balloon flying. And I'm going to be the recorder, so you'll see everything happening here, the trials, and then you'll get the times and write them down. Before we get started, you need to read these directions. I say it again, read the directions. All right, you're going to write a hypothesis. You're going to fill in your independent and your dependent variables and your controls. So the things that we want, or not control, that should say constant. Cross that word off. Cross that word off. Write in constant. I don't know why it doesn't say that, but anyway, all right, you got me. All right, so then we're going to turn to the next page, and we're actually going to do this 10 times. We're going to get 10 trials, and that's just to make sure that we get accurate results here. So I'm going to record them so you can see them, and then I'll write down, I'm recording distance, so distance that the balloon rocket is traveling, and the time. And then you're going to figure out average speed. How do you figure out average speed again? Distance divided by time. And then what is your terminology? Don't forget, we're measuring distance in centimeters. We're measuring time in seconds. So distance over time is going to be centimeters per second. Okay? Once you finish that, you're going to go and you're going to draw a graph. What kind of graph are you going to draw? Oh, look, you're going to read in the directions where it says make a line graph. Don't forget on your graph that you want to have a title, right? You want to have X and Y labels, maybe a key if you need one. You want to set your numbers up accurately, and you want to use a ruler to draw in your graphing line, okay? All right, when you're done with that, you're going to flip to the back, and you're going to answer the questions using your notes from Newton's Law Part 3. Think carefully about the answers that you're putting down. I know you guys are going to get this, all right? All right, hold steady for Part 2, which is going to be the launching of the balloon rockets.